my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya. In today's video, I'm finally getting the chance to try the Extreme Wet Line Gel on my hair. I found this when I was on vacation last weekend. I went to Florida with my cousins. We were in Walmart, and then I just went to the hair aisle, of course, like I had to go there. Found this for $2, like, and some change. So I was like, this huge entire thing for $2, you can't beat that. And then I've been wanting to try this gel forever. I got it. In today's video, I will finally be getting the chance to try this gel. So if you guys would like to see how I got these flawless results, let's just go ahead and click that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click the bell so you be notified when I post another video. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into this and take down my hair. And this is what it looks like when I'm using this gel for my wash and go. Pretty excited to see what my hair is gonna look like. I'm just gonna start off with using this oil. Not tea tree oil in it, it's just an empty bottle, and I put olive oil and Jamaican black castor oil in it. And I'm just gonna put it on my scalp because my hair has been really dry lately. This whole entire summer has been hot as freak in Georgia. My hair has just been like really crazy. So I think it's time for me to do another hot oil treatment, so I'll probably do that later on this week. But my hair just needs some extra moisture right now. Now that I'm finished putting the oil in my hair, I think I'm gonna do a wet look like how I did last time, since it's like a wet line, wet look. You know, I'm gonna start like basically how I did last time, and I'm just gonna part it down the middle. I'm just gonna take the rest of my hair and I'm just gonna put it up. I still have that middle part. So I'm going for another wet look, and I'm just gonna put like all of my hair up. I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and I'm just going to spritz my hair with water just to make it damp, just so it can be easier just to manage and apply the product to my hair. Starting off with the can 2, starting off with a little bit, I'm just taking it and I'm just gonna start off this section first. I have it split into 2 sections. I recently got me a dimming brush. It's not the actual brand of the dimming brush, but it's the Evolve version of this detangling brush, and I'm just going to detangle from end to root. I have never ever used a detangling brush like this before, so I'm pretty excited to see what this has my hair looking like. Now time for the wet line gel. It kind of smells like chlorine and like a perfume scent. It feels pretty thick and like gel-like, but it has like a pretty like gel type of consistency. I'm just gonna start off with a little bit first because I don't want to use too much. Starting with this section, I'm just gonna start with the ends like I normally do with like any other type of gel. And I'm just gonna work my way to the top, pretty thick on my hair. It keeps them like clumped up. It has my hair looking really shiny and like kind of like defining my curls, but it's also clumped up. So probably have to unclump them first and then like determine like how it would actually look. So far it looks pretty good. I'm gonna take my water and I'm just gonna see if this works by like just unclumping those curls. I'm just gonna take this gel and just kind of like unclump them, kind of finger curl a few pieces just to make it more defined. But so far this gel looks pretty good, and it has my curls looking really defined so far. Like it's not really that bad. So I'm not really like sleeking down my hair, but I'm just gonna add some more gel, just like kind of sleek down this part, like my root. And I'm just gonna sleek it down just a little bit, not that much. Taking my spray bottle for this section since my hair is dry now. I'm getting some of the curling cream and I'm just adding it onto my hair. Ryan Little. Detangling my hair, and honestly, I'm in love with this brush already. Like, it just has my curls looking so good and they curl up automatically. Finger detangling versus this like is amazing, and especially because I have nails now, I hate like the stuff getting in my nails and so irritating, so it just makes it 10 times better. Taking some of the gel, I only use a little bit of this gel because it actually like really defines my hair really nice. I'm just going to put the gel like right on top. I really do like this gel, like it is really amazing. It really like defines my curls like instantly, and it adds like a lot of shine to them. Getting a little bit more gel just to make sure I have this section coated with this gel, and it actually clumps them up really nice and they look pretty good. Grabbing a little bit more gel just to lay down the roots. I have a bigger section this time. I'm just gonna work in small sections. I'm gonna start off with this small section on the side, and I'm just gonna put this section up. So I'm just doing the same thing. I'm gonna put this in a faster pace, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm finishing up the top. Okay guys, so I'm on my last section and this is what my hair is looking like so far. Now that I've done the whole entire process, I'm just brushing down my hair in the front, like on the sides, and then on the top of my hair, like just like that, and then just letting my hair at the ends like just be free. This is my hair fully wet and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do a 360 for you guys. It looks pretty good. It looks really defined. My hair is really moisturized and very shiny. I'm really loving how my hair is looking right now. Like, it looks so good. So now I'm just gonna let this dry for a minute and I'm just gonna let it sit for about an hour. Then I'm going to blow dry it and then I'll come back to you guys for the final. Okay guys, so I've come to the end of the video. This is what my hair is looking like. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is my day 4 hair. I actually recorded my day 1 hair like right after my hair got fully finished like drying and everything. When I went back to edit my entire video, I basically either deleted or I lost my intro and my outro, so we're here on day 4. But it's okay. But as you guys can tell, my hair held up really good throughout these days, and I'm honestly really shocked with the results. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I still love Eco Styler and all that, but it kind of looks better. Really defined, like really defined, really shiny, and really moisturized. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys have tried this gel. Let me know how it worked on your hair. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. If you guys have stayed all the way to the end of this video and you have not subscribed already, please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Like, you stayed this far, you've seen these wonderful results. I mean, you see how good my hair looks, so why are you not subscribed yet? Thank you guys so much for all the love and support you guys continue to show me. And thank you guys most importantly for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.